Hello guys, today we're going to toothbrush my teeth. First, let's get my slippers under the chair. Second, let's get our toothbrush. Third, let's get some wait a minute, some cup, because we need a cup. Wash the cup, then turn off the water. Then wait a minute, I'll put it some water. How should toothbrush? I'll get some water, a little bit of water only. Then let's get the Colgate. Let's get the Colgate because we need the Colgate. Okay. So it's too nice if we brush our teeth all the time because the germs in our teeth is coming. And if we did not brush our teeth might be ouchy, and it hurts our teeth. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Sila na stupid baklaan eh.